Greetings friends, in today's problem sums we discuss a model drawing question from the ACS school year 2016. Nick and David went shopping together with a total sum of $90. Alright, Nick spent twice as much as David. The amount David had left was $9 more than what he had spent. Okay, so basically the amount that he spent was not as much. Alright, it's lesser than the amount he had left. He had twice as much money left as Nick. Alright, so David has twice left as compared to Nick. First question, how much money did David spend? Part B, how much money did Nick have at first? Alright, now in order to do this, we can draw for ourselves a model. I've already drawn it for you. Let me explain this model. We can start with this section here. He had twice as much money left as Nick. So David, what we can do is we can draw two complete boxes for the amount of money he had left. And for Nick, just one box. Alright? And further to that, right, if we trace backwards, the amount David had left was $9 more than what he had spent. So whatever he spent, we can have that one box. But the second box will not be a full box. Alright? It is not exactly the same as whatever he had left. It is $9 lesser. Alright? So whatever he spent was just this one full box plus part of a box here. Okay? Again, you can form one nice box here if you add $9. This is very good to consider and to bear in mind as we approach this question. Now as for Nick, right? Trace backwards again. Nick spent twice as much as David. So for Nick, he is going to spend this section here. Alright? Which is this, same one. And there is also a gap of $9. It's very similar to David. But what we need to do is to copy this section one more time. Why? Because Nick actually spent twice as compared to David. Now again, bear in mind, this is one complete unit if we add the $9. Same thing for this one. If we add the $9, this is one complete unit. Same thing for this. If we add the 9, this is one complete unit. So the first question, how much did David spend? Now, in order to do this, we need to investigate, right? What is this one box? And what is this section here? Alright, and we can actually approach this question by adding $9, $9. Basically 9 times 3. So when we take 9 times 3, we will get $27. And what we can do is to form that nice complete box for this, and this. Alright, so the total here will change a bit. Okay, so 90 plus 27. This is $117. $117. And this represents how many full boxes? 1, 2, 3. You have formed a fourth one here as well. 4, 5, 6, 7 now, 8 and 9 now. Okay, so 9 complete units will be equal to $117. We can find one unit. 117 divided by 9, $13. Alright, and the amount of money David spent, again, it's one full box. For the second box, be careful, you need to subtract 9 from it. So we can find 2 units and then minus 9 away from that 2 units. 13 times 2, 26. And for the David's spending, it will be 26 minus away $9, $17. Alright, that's the answer for the very first question is done. Next one, how much money did Nick have at first? Alright, how much money did Nick have at first? Now to do this, what we can do is to take David's at first, because that is easier to calculate, right? Since we already have his spending. And then take $90 minus David's. Then you can get Nick's at first answer, okay? So for David's at first, you need to take the spending, all right, plus these two boxes here. Now this will be $17, which is whatever he spent, plus 2 full units, which is whatever is left with, okay? So that will be $26. So 17 plus 26, $43. Alright, and whatever Nick have at first will be 90 minus 43 per pound, okay? And this will give us a final answer of $47.